What animal shall we play with? Tap the picture to start the game. Let's put together the items. Drag a puzzle piece to its place. The item is whole. The item is whole. Wow, this is a frog. Let's put together the items. The item is whole. Drag a puzzle piece to its place. You did it! Drag a puzzle piece to its place. Wow, this is a duck! Let's put together the items. Drag a puzzle piece to its place. You did it! Drag a puzzle piece to its place. Well done! It's a whole item now. Drag a puzzle piece to its place. A shark.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark.
Let's put together the items. Well done! It's a whole item now. The item is whole. Wow, this is a dog. Let's put together the items. You did it! You did it! Wow, this is a cat! Let's put together the items. Drag a puzzle piece to its place. Well done! It's a whole item now. You did it! Wow! This is a dinosaur! Johnny wants to play with a steam locomotive. Let's put it together.
Purchase a subscription and play all the games.
Where shall we play? Pick your favorite game.